There's nothing as luxurious as a newly renovated bathroom. If you want to spoil yourself, renovate a bathroom. The difference between a bathroom that's done okay or well versus one that is exceptional, you spot the difference a mile away. I'd say to you with a really large degree of confidence that if you walk into one of our bathrooms after it's done, they're beautiful and, dare I say, luxurious. Renovating a bathroom is a big cost, and you want to make sure that you get the best return, the best value for the money that you're spending. So I'd always recommend looking at showrooms, looking at reviews, really seeking out a company that can give you peace of mind, a company that has the support within the business to make sure that you and your family are looked after during the renovation process. What we will do is when we strip everything out and start again, we're making sure that we're dealing with any hidden issues so that we're building on a right foundation. I think that's really important. And I think it all comes back down to the right people. If you get a renovation wrong with a bathroom, you're delving into waterproofing and compromising waterproofing. So if you get a bathroom wrong, you're stripping back to a fairly large extent. If the floor's wrong, you're pulling it all up because there's every chance that you're penetrating the waterproof membrane. So the consequences of something being wrong in a bathroom are quite extensive. So you need to get it right. And I think choosing the right company, the right people is really imperative. We would love to be a part of that process with you.